Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I got mail and this one comes from Kathy O'Sullivan. So you guys, this is a big surprise. Like, ooh, I was not expecting any mail. So Kathy, thank you. And OMG, let's go ahead and see what she sent me. Let me cut it because I haven't cut it yet, so let me cut it up. So be right back. Okay, so I've opened this and here you go. I love this beautiful bubble mailer. Oh, it is cute. Ooh, nice. So let's go ahead and see what she sent. Let's see. I did not make this. It was purchased in a mystery bag made by Charlotte Peterson. I would like to support other YouTubers. I hope you like it. Okay, so as you guys see, it just says that she did not make it. She purchased it in a mystery bag and by Charlotte Peterson, and she just likes to support other YouTubers, and I hope I like it. But before that, I'd say, Kathy, just a little something to say thank you for remembering me. Aww. Oh, this is so sweet. Just a little thank you for remembering her on Christmas. Oh, thank you, Kathy. And now Kathy does have a YouTube channel. She doesn't have any content there, but if you guys go over, support her, hopefully one day she will decide to, you know, start her videos, and we will be there for her, you know, supporting her as she supports us. Let's see. Okay, let's go ahead and see. Oh, sorry for the crinkle. And Magic Wonder. So I think this is part of Magic Wonder paper pad, and I think that's what's on the bottom. So I'll let you guys know in a moment. And this is a cute close pin with a egg right here, and I think this is a chalk, so yay. And a cute stamp. Oh, thank you, Kathy. And then she also did a composition notebook, and it is Disney inspired by oops, you guys, I do not remember the names. Oh my gosh, is it Rapunzel? You guys, sorry, I am not a Disney fanatic, so I do apologize. So if you guys know, let me know who she is. But I know she's the one with the long hair that falls off the castle, and yeah. And let me see. Aw, thinking of you. And she is Kathy O'Sullivan here on YouTube, and her email's right there. And that is so cute. Look at this, you guys. Aww. This is so cute. And I think she colored it in. She did, and then she did a little highlight. I don't know if you guys see the glitter, the shimmer on it, the highlight, and it's a little stamp with a little flat or pearl. Oh my goodness. And then she did a bow right here, and then she did these little two diamonds on the bottom to accent, and then she did a glimmered Winka Stella on here. Oh, that's pretty. Look at you guys. You guys can't really see it, but it is so cute. And then she embossed the background. And then you guys, I also struggle with cards, and this is just a beautiful example of beauty. Look at the layering. She has the embossing, then she has 1, 2, 3 layers of paper, and then she has her embellishments. I like this. I'm gonna have to like look at it for a while and try to implement all these on my own cards. This is so pretty. I like it. Oh, thank you, Kathy. And then, oh, this is so beautiful. And okay, so this is authentic paper. So it's a combination, an unpacked To Unpathed Waters, Undreamed Shores, Shakespeare. That's nice. Oh, does this one have the same thing? Yeah. So this is an authentic paper pad, and it seems like it might be a Shakespeare one. So it's a combination of both authentic and the Magic and Wonder from Echo Park. So excuse my sniffles, you guys. Oh, these are so cute. Look at you guys. Oh, this is so cute. I think it goes like this or like this. Oh my gosh, is this a... Oh my goodness, it's a camera, right? A video recording camera or a tape recorder. Oh my goodness. You guys, I should know it. I'm not that young. So cute. These are all nice cut aparts. Thank you. Oh, and then, oh, thank you so much. Oh, this is beautiful. And that's part of the Magic Wonder from Echo Park. There you go. Look at these, you guys. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this one. It's just double-sided. It's double-sided. So these are the cut aparts. I must be a mermaid. I have no fear of depth and a great fear of shallow living. Did I say that right? Oh, you guys, it's 2 in the morning, so I do apologize. And then this one. Oh, look at this, the background. Oh, that's pretty. Look at the mermaid. And this one is like this. These are more mermaids. And this is just a little words in here. That's pretty. Look at this. Oh, this is so pretty. Thank you, Kathy, for thinking of me. And this is more Disney inspired paper. This is Anna and Elsa. So from Let It Snow, or oh my goodness, you guys. Sorry. So if you're a Disney fanatic, I apologize. I so apologize. I know Tree will say something because she is a Disney fanatic. So is Maka from Maka's Home. And then these are the Mickey. Oh, these are cute. So cute. This is a camera. So I'm assuming this is maybe an old camera. So these are all the different type of cameras that have been out there. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. So I can actually work with some Disney projects now. I know I have a lot of ladies that love Disney. Dina from This Mama Loves Disney is also one of them. Oh, look at the music notes. So thank you so much, Kathy. Oh my goodness. You did not have to send me anything. But I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. So let's go ahead and show our beautiful card. And then we go ahead and see. Oops, this right here. And then let's see. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Presentation. Oh my goodness. Can you guys see? I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. So let's go ahead and see. Ooh, and this one's just flowing by itself. Oh wow. So this is, I'm assuming, like a journaling. Oh wait. Can you open it here? Oh my goodness. Look at you guys. Oh, another idea to lift. And it has pockets in here. There's one pocket here. Another pocket here. And another pocket here. I would have to go check this lady out. I am not subscribed to her. I'm subscribed to Kathy. I just checked and made sure. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. This is it's like a junk journal, kind of. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Kathy. Oh my goodness. Look at this. So this you could either take out and you could add stuff on there. You know, adjust if you want to adjust, but this is perfect. There's nothing that needs to be adjusted. Oh my. Wow. Oh, how pretty. This is so beautiful. And there's more pockets here. Here and here. So cute. And it doesn't have, and Kathy did mention it, and it was from, again, it was from Charlotte Peterson. So I gotta go see if there is a YouTube on her or not. But Kathy, she does have a YouTube channel. And like I said, she doesn't have content. But you guys, let's go over and support her. Hopefully she will start a YouTube channel soon. And I know it's scary at first, but then once you start doing it, after a few videos, you get the hang of it. So anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. And again, thank you so much, Kathy. You did not have to do this. This is so cute. Thank you so much. Anyways, thank you guys again, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.